Pro Blogger is a platform that hire you, allows you to earn from your written content. Like you can make a social media post on this platform and you earn from it. If you have been trying to grow your online presence, maybe you're on Facebook or other social media platforms and you're not getting followers in order to monetize your content. Well, this platform allows you to earn from your written content. Like you can create a social media post and you earn from it. You can earn between 5, 10 to $20 depending on your content. So if you're trying to make money online, you're tired of seeing only platforms that work either in the US or in the UK. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 remote jobs platforms that can pay you globally. So no matter where you live, whether you live in Nigeria, India, Kenya, or in the Philippines, these jobs are hiring right now and you can earn in dollars. So ensure you watch this video to the end. In addition to Pro Blogger, I'm going to be showing you other 4 platforms where you can work and you earn from it. They actually pay in dollars. You're welcome to my channel. If you're seeing it for the first time, my name is Stacy. Here I share ideas on how you can make passive income online, how you can grow generally, financially, or your YouTube channel. So if you love this type of content, all you need to do is to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell as to get notified each time I upload a new video. The first job I'll be mentioning here is freelance writing. So if you can actually write an article or social media content, post, or even product description, this freelance writing is for you. And the good part is that you don't need to have a degree or be a professional writer. Just simple articles you can write and post on this platform and you earn from it. All you need is good writing skill and you start earning. You can decide to write on any niche. It can be tech, it can be health, it can be finance, it can be on food or any other niche where you can comfortably write on. You can earn from between $5 to $10 to $20 or even to $50 depending on your article, whether it's long or short article, you can earn from this. If you want to join ProBlogger, all you need to do is to go to problogger.com. You see an interface like this. All right, so this is their platform. You choose jobs. When you click on jobs, you read all the information required and you join them. Joining is entirely free of charge. You're not paying to join. Look at what it says here. Become a blogger. Since 2004, ProBlogger has been the home for bloggers wanting to create and grow their blogs and then go professional to make money blogging. So you can actually make money posting your written content on this platform. In addition to ProBlogger, you can also do this on Upwork and freelancer.com. These are 2 other platforms where you can earn money from your written content. When I talk about written content, it doesn't need to be a full book. It can just be a post, the kind of post you would normally do on Facebook. You can write on anything, on tech, on health, or even on any celebrity of your choice and post it. When people read these articles, you earn from it. So you can start earning money from your content on this platform. The second job I'm talking about in this video is called customer support. Customer support is the second one. Yes, companies will pay you to answer questions via emails or chats. So if you have communication skill, you have ability to communicate, to pass information, you are patient, polite, and you are good at solving problems, this job is perfect for you. If you already have experience with working with interacting with customers, you've worked in an office where you can interact with customers and try to pass information to customers and have a good quality relationship with customers, this platform is going to work for you. The first platform here is supportninja.com. So on this platform, this is the interface you're going to see. You read all the things required here and you click on career. You can see where this thing career. click on career and you register with them, set your profile, and you wait to get hired and you start working for them. In addition to supportninja.com, you can also apply on Moscow. I've spoken about Moscow in my previous video. Moscow and remote.co. These are platforms where you can apply to get customer service job and you can get hired and start working. The third one is to become a visual assistant. Becoming a visual assistant is just helping business owners with tasks like managing their emails, scheduling appointments, or doing jobs like data entries. So these are jobs you can do as a visual assistant. It's just like being an online secretary for businesses, and the demand is huge currently, and this platform is hiring. You can go to www.baileysolution.com and register with them. Registration is just free. You can just sign up and set your profile. Once you see a job opening for you, you can apply and wait to be hired. Apart from Bailey, you can also apply on time.com, or you can even go to the simplest way you can get visual assistant job is to go to different pages on Facebook with millions of followers, different Facebook groups, and offer your services. You can just apply, telling them that this is what you do. You can be their visual assistant to help respond to comments, reply to comments, and all of that for Facebook groups and other social media platforms with millions of followers. So this is where you can actually work as a visual assistant, and the pay ranges from $8 to $25 per hour, depending on your skill and how many tasks you are able to handle. If you don't have experience to work as a visual assistant, you can learn how to do that using Google Workspace. Once you learn all of these things, once you sign up on any of these platforms, you can create your profile and set your preferences on those platforms. The fourth one is online tutoring. So you can become an online tutor for students via a video call. Yeah, if you can teach English or any other subject like math, science, or even music, you can earn big on platforms like Reply, Cambly, and ASCO. These are platforms hiring online tutors right now. So you can actually, I've spoken about Cambly in my previous video. Cambly is an online, a remote company, online platform where you can actually apply to become an a tutor. Yes, you can become an English tutor or you can tutor in any other language. There are different languages they listed here, so many of them. So you can choose anyone you can tutor and you apply and wait to get hired. These are real companies, remote jobs that hire people to work for them. So when you go to Cambly.com, you see a platform like this, what the Cambly platform looks like. You just click on view job, click on become a Cambly tutor and fill up the information, set up your profile, and you get hired. They pay ranges between $10 to $30 per hour. So depending on your schedule, and this platform offers flexibility of time. You can choose your own schedule and choose the language you can teach depending on the ones available they are looking for. Depending on the ones available, so you can actually set your schedule and choose the time you want to work and how many hours a day you want to work. You can apply on Cambly, you can also apply on Reply, and the third platform where you can apply is called artscrew.com. These are three platforms where you can apply to become an online tutor. And remember, you don't need to be a professional teacher to be able, you can communicate in English just to helping able to learn how to speak English practically. So you don't need to be a professional teacher to be able to do that when it comes to English. Except you're teaching mathematics and music, then you have to have skill on these areas. The last but not the least is tech job. You can do web design, graphic design, data entry as a tech person. You don't need to be a sophisticated tech job. So you can earn as much as $100 per hour when you get this job. Platforms like TopTal, Fiverr, we work remotely, can hire you to work for them as a tech person. We work remotely. This is what we work remotely platform looks like. Once you click on it, you see this, something like this. So if this works in two ways. You can post your job, or if you're coming to be hired, you can also apply to be hired. So this is what the platform look like. So you can just go down and see if you can see any job opening and the different countries where these jobs are, where they have job opening. Like for instance, they have senior product designer, and the pay is from $50,000 to $75,000. This job is needed in Canada and US. So there is this one again, UI designer. You work remotely, and the pay is between $50,000 to 74,000 and above. You can work anywhere in the world as a senior digital marketing specialist, as a UI designer. You can work in Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, and so many other countries. So these are different job openings. So once you get to this platform, you will see different jobs available where you can apply as a tech person and work. So the pay is actually good. Like I said, it can be between 10 to $100 per hour. I can see how much listed here. So this should be like monthly pay. Workremotely.com is a platform you can apply as a tech person. In addition to work remotely, you can also apply on TopTal and Fiverr. I've made videos on TopTal and Fiverr. So you can also apply on TopTal and Fiverr. And once you get hired, you start earning big as a tech person. So I've mentioned already 5 different platforms and 5 different remote jobs you can apply on these platforms. These are platforms currently hiring, and these platforms are companies, remote companies that are legit, that are hiring. These are companies that are hiring right now. They can just check them out, read all the requirements needed, and if you see anyone suitable for you, you can apply and wait to be hired. This job actually pay people worldwide. You don't have to move abroad to earn in dollars anymore. You can try them out. So let me know in the comment section which of these job you have heard about, or you have tried, or you will be trying. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Till I see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching.